What's up, guys? I'm making this video because I get this question asked very often. So next time I will paste a link to this video. Which carb for my LRP 28 or 32? 28 and 32, same block. The only difference is the bore. So first option, an OS carb. In my opinion, the best carbs ever. But very expensive. They will fit, but you have a gap here, so you will have to mill the carb. There are many videos on YouTube on how to mill a carb, a Novo Rossi carb, but it's the same with this one to fit your LRP. So any OS will fit. Even old OS carbs. This is an OS 30 VG carb. Next, Novo Rossi carbs. Very good carbs, but probably impossible to find as Novo Rossi went out of business. So the gap here is smaller. You can add a second O-ring instead of milling the carb, so you have to remove this here. Very good carb. They tune really good. Next, Pico carbs. Not the easiest carbs. These are short, low speed needles, so maybe not the best for newbies. New Pico carbs will fit, but not old Pico carbs. I'm gonna show you why. So this one is okay, same as this one, P3DT, but the older Pico carbs, the ones that came with the old style Pico with the angle exhaust, they will not fit. Let me show you why. So this is an SH28, exact same engine as the LRP 28 spec 3, 8 bores. Not the best quality, but they have a ton of power. I run this engine with a Pico carb, an old Pico carb. They fit perfect. So this is the new Pico and the older one. This one is too small diameter here for the new LRP. Older Pico carb, not good for the LRP. As well as the SH, the original SH carb, too small. Also, force engine carbs will not fit your LRP. Next, we have the Alpha, Argus, and Trackstar carbs. They fit. You have to mill these carbs too. And probably the best choice in my opinion, as these ones are the cheapest carbs among the ones I've shown to you. This is a Hobeo 0.30 or 0.28 or 0.21, same stuff. They will fit, no mods required, they fit perfect. These ones are easy to find. They are available at Hobeo eShop. I think $48 or $49, so affordable and available and no mods required. I know that they tune good. Last choice, if you need to replace your cheap LRP 28 or 32 pull start. So this is a pull start LRP. They come with this cheap LRP carb. Not the best choice, but better than stock. This is the LRP 32 4.1 or 4 spec 4, but backplate engine, not the pull start one. This is the 7 ports. This one is insulated, so better than this one. This is the worst carb ever. This do not run this thing because they are not insulated. They are made of aluminum, not plastic, so they will expand as your engine heats up, and they will run very inconsistent, leaner and leaner, and you may kill your glow plugs when they go vapor lock. So this is not the best option in my opinion. These carbs will tune much better than this one. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that this will help, and thanks for watching.